Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams meeting links not opening in the app. This is a common frustration when you click a meeting link and it either opens in your browser instead of the desktop app or doesn't open at all. Let's walk through the solution step by step. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard to bring up the search menu. Type in default apps and you'll see it appear in the results. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Windows settings where you can control which applications handle different types of files and links on your computer. Once you're in the default app settings, look for a text link that says Set Defaults by App and click on it. This section allows you to configure which apps are responsible for specific actions, and it's crucial for ensuring Teams links open correctly in the desktop application rather than defaulting to your browser. Now, on the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of installed applications. Scroll through this list until you find Microsoft Teams, then click on it. After selecting Teams, you'll see a button labeled Manage. Click on this to access the specific protocol settings for Teams. Here's where the important part comes in. You need to verify that all the default app settings are correctly assigned to Microsoft Teams. For instance, look for a URL action zip and make sure it's set to Microsoft Teams. Similarly, check URL ems Teams and confirm that it's also pointing to Microsoft Teams. These protocol handlers are what tell Windows to open Teams links in the app itself. If any of these are set to a different application or to your web browser, that's likely why your links aren't opening properly. Go through each one and ensure they're all correctly configured. If you've made these changes and your Teams links are still not opening in the app, we'll need to try a different approach. Go back to the main Windows settings and click on Apps and Features. This section gives you access to more detailed controls for each installed application. In the Apps and Features list, find Microsoft Teams and click on it. You'll see an option for Advanced Options. Click on this to access the repair and reset tools that Windows provides for troubleshooting app issues. Once you're in the Advanced Options, find the section labeled Reset. You'll notice two buttons here, Repair and Reset. Start by clicking the Repair button. This will attempt to fix any corrupted files or settings without losing your data. Give it a moment to complete the repair process. If after repairing the app, your Teams links are still not opening correctly, go ahead and click the Reset button. This performs a more thorough reset of the application, which should resolve any persistent issues. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now have your Microsoft Teams meeting links opening directly in the app as intended. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.